Email Marketing Revolution. Video number 3. Grow and organize your email list. Let's look at some creative and advanced ways you can rapidly grow your email list. Number 1. Add more sign-up forms. At the end of every blog post, page header, footer, about page, contact us page, and welcome bar. Number 2. Add a pop-up sign-up form. One way to get started with pop-ups is to install a tool from AppSumo called SumoMe, which will let you quickly add 3 different types of pop-ups to your site. Number 3. Catch visitors on the way out. Put a sign-up box at the bottom of your post. Number 4. Show a subscribe page before you show content. If you have something compelling to offer to visitors, then you might consider changing your blog index page into a giant call to action. Number 5. Get email subscribers with your byline. Add a call to action directly to your author byline. Number 6. Lead magnets. Use incentives like giving an email course, coupon codes, videos, or downloadable content to readers to capture email addresses. Number 7. Host a giveaway. Incentivize people who join the giveaway to share it with their friends by giving them 2 or more extra entries, usually 3 per referral. Number 8. Get signups from a tweet. When someone shares your content on Twitter, you follow up with them immediately, suggesting they sign up for your email list. Number 9. Guest post and offer a bonus. Guest posting is one of the best ways to drive traffic back to your blog. Number 10. Publish Slideshares. Include hyperlinks in your presentation on SlideShare with a link to your site where they can subscribe. Number 11. Subscribe your buyers. Subscribe your buyers if you sell digital or physical goods with the help of a service like PayPal, Stripe, Shopify, or BigCommerce. Number 12. Email signature. Add a very simple hyperlink call to action to your email signature that tells people in one line why they should sign up for your list. Conclusion. Your email list members have the potential to be your biggest fans, your most loyal buyers, and your most reliable source of feedback and traffic. But you have to start collecting them now. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.